Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your cell phone to your computer using Windows Phone Link. So there are two things that you need to know here. First of all, Phone Link is actually installed on your Windows 11 PC. So all you need to do is go into your search bar and look for Phone Link and click on it, and you'll open up the app, and this is what the interface looks like. Now, of course, if you're using an Android, it's quite obvious you're going to tap on Android. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to tap on iPhone. Now, I use an iPhone, and you're going to go to your App Store, and let me just bring this up. You're going to go to your App Store, and you're going to look for Link to Windows. This is what the app looks like, and what you're going to do is install it, and then go and say open. Now, this is what the interface looks like here. Now, back to the computer, we're going to go choose your device to get started. Click on iPhone. Now, turn on your Bluetooth if it's not already on. This will automatically turn that Bluetooth on, and now this code expires in 3 minutes. We can now go back to our phone, our mobile device, and scan the QR code on your PC. Now let's go ahead and tap that, and here you will just have to say allow to give some access, and boom, it's now scanned the QR code, and we are going to say continue pairing with Bluetooth. Say continue. Over here, if you want to allow link to Windows to find Bluetooth devices, you're going to say allow. And over here it says turn on Bluetooth to allow link to Windows to connect to accessories. Okay, so just go like this, like that. Put the Bluetooth on, and here, continue again. And it's now looking for the PC to start pairing. Now you can see my screen has popped up a 6-digit code. Also on my phone, I can click on pair. Make sure that those digits are the same. And on the computer screen, you're going to go and click on pair. And now within a few seconds, your phone as well as your computer will be linked. They'll be paired, and you'll be able to have access to everything that's on your mobile device on your computer in the Phone Link app. Now you'll be able to gain access like your SMSs. You'll also see all of your call logs. You'll be able to manage all of those calls. You can even make phone calls from your computer, from your Windows 11, and then you can also actually manage your media as well. So you can pair your media, and you can also back up your media. So as you can see, this is the interface you'll see once Phone Link and your phone is actually linked. But if you are still struggling to connect, you're just going to have to go into Bluetooth, turn off your Bluetooth, turn off the Bluetooth on your phone. So let's just tap that over there, and then just give it like 10 seconds. Let's just hold this in over here. Let's open Bluetooth settings. And now let's just put this off, and let's put Bluetooth on again on the computer, and let us put Bluetooth on again on our phone. Okay, so this is my iPhone connected to Phone Link, and you'll see over here, this is what the interface looks like. Here, you can make sure that it says calls. Over here, it says grant permissions from your mobile device. You can also check out your messages over here, and you can manage everything straight from this interface.